This device is a general electric and electronic technology experimental platform. The main function of this training platform is to provide power. We can use the school's 3-phase AC motor. All other devices that require power supply should be placed on the workbench and connected for power supply. So this is its main power switch. This is a fuse, phase switch, power switch, indicator light, terminal, adjustable current, adjustable voltage. The adjustable power here is alternating current. What can be adjusted here is DC voltage and current. Switch. The current and voltage here are also adjustable. When we need DC power here, we can directly output it to the electrical equipment through the terminals here. So this is its DC 5 volts power supply. What is displayed here is the current. This is a switch. This is the AC power supply. These buttons are also adjustable signal generators. We can conduct tests using an oscilloscope to measure its waveform signal. You can adjust the button to change its pulse frequency. Pulse button, volume switch, multifunctional communication tester, voltage regulator. According to the experimental requirements, we can perform corresponding power connection operations. Next, we will proceed with the power on operation. The power indicator will light up once the power is turned on. Turn on the power switch of the device. It can be seen that the power supply of the equipment is normal. Then we disconnect the power switch of the equipment and turn off the power on switch. The operation demonstration is over.